Hello, welcome back to my kitchen. Hope you're all well. It's a lovely, let's say early springtime day in Sydney today, and it's still a little bit overcast and a little bit cloudy and still a bit cool, thankfully, because summer will be here at any moment. But today I'm going to make a very old-fashioned almond and cherry cake. So I hope you'll come along and watch me create it. So sit back, relax, and let's get started. I'm going to get started on beating the sugar and the butter. So I'll play some nice music and speed it up so it's not too noisy. Let's do some drizzling. See how lovely and rich, buttery, lovely cherry through it. Let's go in for the taste test. I'm going to enjoy this. Oh my goodness. It is delicious. You you will absolutely love this cake. Wonderful substitute for fruit cake for Christmas. It has a lovely almond flavour through it. It will mature beautifully. By tomorrow it'll have a totally different taste. The lemon, the cherries, the almond. I can't tell you how delicious it is. I wish you were here to have some with me. Anyhow, I want to take this opportunity to thank you for watching. And if there's any cake in particular that you want me to make, I can give it a try by all means. So just perhaps tell me what your favourite cake is in the comment box and what you like to cook. I'd love to hear from you. And thank you for the new subscribers. And if you're not subscribed, now might be the time to subscribe. Hit the little bell and you'll get all my notifications. So thank you, friends, once again. I'm sending you all many wishes. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now. Bye.